Welcome to this video. In this video, we have to know about how to configure PHP limits in Web Host Manager tweak settings.
WHM provides tweak settings to configure various server-wide settings in cPanel. Under the PHP section, administrators can configure PHP-related limits used by cPanel services. In this article, we will explain how to check and modify the PHP memory limit using WHM tweak settings.
Prerequisites. Before proceeding, make sure you have WHM root access, a cPanel/WHM server, privileges. Steps to how to configure PHP limits in Web Host Manager tweak settings. Step 1. Log in to Web Host Manager. Log in to your Web Host Manager interface using your administrator credentials. Navigate to Web Host Manager, and then Server Configuration, and then Tweak Settings. Step 2. Open the PHP settings in the Tweak Settings page. Select the PHP section. You can find PHP-related configuration options available for the server. Step 3. Configure PHP memory limit. Locate the following setting. Tainal PHP memory limit. Set the required memory value according to your server requirements. For example, 512 M, the value should be selected based on the available server resources and the requirements of your cPanel services. Step 4. Save the configuration. After changing the value, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Web Host Manager will apply the updated configuration. Verification. After saving the configuration, return to WHM and then Server Configuration and then Tweak Settings and then PHP. Verify that the cPanel PHP memory limit displays the newly configured value. Note that cPanel PHP memory limit in Tweak Settings applies to cPanel's internal PHP processes/services. It should not be confused with the PHP limits configured for individual websites. For website-specific PHP settings, use the appropriate PHP configuration for the domain, such as multi-PHP ini editor.
Conclusion. WHM's tweak settings provides an easy way for server administrators to configure the PHP memory limit used by cPanel services. Before increasing the value, ensure that the server has sufficient available memory to handle the additional resource requirements. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share.